All right, so how do you organize your apps on a Motorola phone? Well, first of all, there's two main pages on your phone. When I unlock my phone, what I see first is the home screen, and the home screen can have some of your apps, but it usually never has all of your apps. To access all the apps, you would swipe up from the home screen to reveal your app drawer, and this is where you will see all the apps that are installed on your phone. Unlike a lot of Android phones, like Samsung and some others, Motorola actually does not let you organize apps in the app drawer here. These are forced into an alphabetical order, and you will scroll the list up and down to find your apps, or you could search for apps here to quickly launch them. But the actual order of the apps here cannot be changed. What you can do is you can organize them into folders. If you want to add an app to an existing folder, I can long press an app and then choose Add to Folder. It'll show all the existing folders on my phone, and I could, for example, add it here in the Moto folder, and into the folder it goes. Now, when I go back and tap that folder, my new app is going to be there. If you want to remove an app from a folder, you can just open the folder like we just did, then long press the app you want to take out of the folder and choose Remove from Folder. Easy enough, right? If you want to create a new folder, you can go to the app drawer first and then tap these three dots up here and choose Create Folder. Up top, you can give your folder a name, and then below that, you can choose which apps will go to that folder. So, pick your apps and then tap Done. And there is my new folder. So that is basically how you can organize your apps in the app drawer. On the home screen, you have a little more freedom because here you can actually tap, hold, and drag the apps to move them around. And not only can we move them on each page, but we can also move them across different pages. You can also create folders by simply dragging an app on top of another app, and when you let go, that'll automatically create a folder. You can add a name to your folders, but don't have to if you want to keep it simple and clean. When you're on the home screen, you'll see how there are some apps on the bottom that are always visible no matter what page of the home screen you're looking at. These are also customizable, and you can just drag apps there. But if you try to put too many apps there, you'll notice how the space is limited. So I could remove and simply drag out something first to create some space, and then replace that app with another app. And of course, the apps in the dock or in the favorites bar, like Motorola calls it, those can be rearranged too. If you want to add more apps to your home screen, you'll simply go to the app drawer, find the app you want to add, and then, if you just tap, hold, and drag the app icon, it goes to your home screen. And to remove an app from the home screen, you'd long press and drag the app, and once you start moving it, you'll see a little Remove button appear on the top. Drop the app on that, and it gets removed from the home screen. That does not delete the app, just removes it from the home screen. If you're doing this with an individual app, you're going to see two options: Remove and Uninstall. Remove is for removing apps from the home screen, and after using it, you'll still find the app available in your app drawer. The Uninstall button, on the other hand, deletes the app off your phone. So not only is it getting removed from the home screen, it gets completely deleted and uninstalled off your phone. So that's how you organize apps on your Motorola phone. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more. Thanks all.